The Nine-Arch Bridge, also called the Bridge in the Sky, is a viaduct bridge in Sri Lanka and one of the best examples of colonial-era railway construction in the country. The bridge was designed to accommodate a challenging 9-degree curve and steep gradient. Built entirely by local labor under British supervision, the construction faced significant logistical challenges, including difficult terrain and material transport. Completed in 1919, the bridge has since stood resilient, showcasing innovative engineering solutions such as concrete cornice blocks for arch support and locally produced sand cement blocks for facing. It is located in Demodara, between Ella and Demodara railway stations. The surrounding area has seen a steady increase of tourism due to the bridge's architectural ingenuity and the profuse greenery in the nearby hillsides.